If you've been looking for the MALM dresser on IKEA's US website and couldn't find it, one of IKEA's most iconic dressers is no longer available in the US. In this video, I'll explain why that happened, what the new STORKLINTA series is, how it compares to MALM, and where you can still buy IKEA dressers today. The MALM dresser was one of IKEA's most popular products. Clean design, good quality, affordable price. It became a classic piece in homes around the world. However, in the US, there were concerns about its stability. Some units tipped over, especially when drawers were unevenly loaded. IKEA responded by recalling specific batches and offering free wall anchoring kits for safety. Eventually, MALM was phased out from the US and Canadian markets. But if you're still looking for a MALM dresser, you can find it on the secondhand market. Check Facebook Marketplace, Craigslist, or eBay. In Europe, MALM is still available in IKEA stores. STORKLINTA is the new dresser line launched by IKEA in the US. At first glance, it looks a lot like MALM, but there are key differences. STORKLINTA is slightly smaller in width and depth. The white finish looks very similar, but the darker tones have a more premium feel, with a textured surface that mimics real wood grain. The frame is more stable, drawers glide more smoothly, and the overall build is more refined. Let's compare the models and their dimensions. As you can see in this table, most MALM dressers are noticeably larger than their STORKLINTA counterparts. The long version of MALM is wider, the tall chest is roomier, and even the nightstands are almost identical. But overall, MALM offers a bit more storage in nearly every configuration. So, if you're replacing a MALM unit with STORKLINTA, it's a good idea to measure your space carefully. If you're in the US or Canada, you can buy STORKLINTA directly on IKEA's website or in stores. MALM is only available secondhand, but many units are still in great condition. Many buyers start by choosing a dresser, and only then think about decorating or upgrading. If you want to give your dresser a fresh new look, whether it's an older MALM or a new STORKLINTA, we make decorative overlays that are easy to install and completely transform the look of your furniture. It's a great option if you want something custom, without replacing your whole setup. Thanks for watching. Subscribe if you enjoy IKEA tips, DIY upgrades, and interior inspiration.